Respondent number 7 reply is awaited. They have taken time on the last date of hearing, Lordship.
Well, for respondent number 7, madam.
Here is your reply.
Well, unfortunately, my petitioner is not well, therefore he could not appear before the Jabalpur, madam. For his he could not approach before Jabalpur, madam, for his affidavit, madam. वो आ नहीं पाया है affidavit के लिए. So I am already seeking 1 week's time to file his reply, madam.
वो तो आए भी नहीं ना, क्योंकि उसने तो डिसऑन कर दी अपनी वाइफ.
वो मतलब इनका सबमिशन है. He is submitted orally. He has informed me कि his wife has
डाइवोर्स लिया है क्या उसने
नहीं
वाइफ से?
वो खत्म हो चुकी है.
खत्म होगी वो.
Yes,
वो तो जिंदा है.
and she is claiming that my lord कि I am a wife of respondent number 7.
अच्छा, वो दूसरी थी जो ये वाइफ नहीं है उसकी.
नहीं सर. Even though my lord one document of private respondent authority, my lord, that is in exit period is also clearly said that, my lord.
डेविल आदमी है. एफआईआर दर्ज करा दें फिर तो एक whosoever is correct he may face the music. Are you ready?
my lord reply फाइल कर लें इसके बाद.
रिप्लाई की क्या जरूरत है? यदि आप उसको वाइफ नहीं ट्रीट कर रहे, आप उसको नॉमिनी नहीं बनने दे रहे आपके सर्विस रिकॉर्ड में, आप कहते हो कि ये है ही नहीं औरत, वो ये फर्जी है, इंपोस्टर है, एक एफआईआर दर्ज करा देते हैं. इसमें ऑफेंस तो बन गया.
my lord kindly
ऑफेंस तो कमिट कर दी बाय वे ऑफ
my lord
impersonating
kindly see
your wife.
in exit P4 it is a
मैं एफआईआर इनके खिलाफ करा रहा हूँ. उसमें एक लाइन ये भी लिख देंगे कि आपका क्लेम झूठा पाया, आपके खिलाफ भी एक्शन लिया जाए.
prior to that my lord I may file reply, my lord.
आपने डिनाई करा है ना कि ये मेरी वाइफ नहीं है, ये है ना आपका, और आपने अडॉप्ट कर ली.
as per in exit P4
कोई कोमल सिंह को अडॉप्ट कर लिया इन ऑर्डर टू डिस्क्लोजर.
उसका वो भतीजा है.
आपने उसको अडॉप्ट कर लिया ना इन ऑर्डर
Yes.
टू डिस्क्लोजर.
yes
तो आप ये कहते हैं कि मेरी वाइफ की तो डेथ हो चुकी है,
as per in exit P4 my
ये
lord.
कोई इंपोस्टर है, तो उसके खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज करा देते हैं और उसमें एक लाइन लिख देते हैं कि यदि ये वाइफ मिली, आप कल्प्रिट हो फिर गलत बयानात के लिए.
my lord
ठीक है ना?
it would definitely be done.
यही समाधान है. अदरवाइज यू विल असर्ट एंड ही विल शी विल डिनाई, और शी विल असर्ट यू विल डिनाई. आउट इसका पता कैसे लगेगा? इंक्वायरी कौन करेगा कि वाइफ है या नहीं है? डीएनए कराना है क्या?
डीएनए से पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा मैडम. डीएनए से तो ये नहीं निकल पाएगा कि वाइफ
औलाद तो कोई है नहीं,
नहीं मालूम ये.
फिर कैसे पता लगेगा कि ये वाइफ है क्या नहीं? पुलिस को दे देते हैं मामला. ठीक है.
मालूम.
Be ready for the consequences in case she is found to be wife, then you will be prosecuted.
It may be inquired.
Lordship kindly appreciate annexure P10, the fake letter which has been given by the given by the
वो भी
respondent.
पुलिस जांच कर लेगी कि ये
Lordship.
फेक लेटर इन्होंने भेजा है
Lordship.
कि मैं इसकी वाइफ नहीं हूँ.
Lordship.
Parties are free to allege anything in writ jurisdiction.
No, they are filing that petition before the honorable court, madam.
In order to make it a disputed question of fact, so that court may dismiss the case. Let this truth come out by way of a proper investigation.
Madam.
Yes, madam, you are appearing for?
Respondent number 2 and 3, Coal Mines Provident Fund.
Yes, according to you, have you inquired into this?
My lord, since this,
You have dislodged her on the basis of some letter allegedly written by her. In fact, that letter, according to her, was written by him.
my lords, we are proceeding the amount
You are-
employer, my lords. Now this is the internal.
Trustee dispute between them only.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, reply, your reply.
Madam, with respect to that, madam,
When notice was issued?
Notices were issued, Lordship.
but madam, I had
In the year
appeared,
2018, Lordship.
I
Notice was issued in?
2018, Lordship. 3/7/18.
but my lord, I got notice in year 2023, my lord, and I has appeared on 11 January 2023, my lord.
Alright, this is correct.
When you were served?
I am not aware about that, my lord, because my lord, I appeared on January 2023, my lord, and my lord, that notice has been, but Hamdas notice has been served to the petitioner, to respondent number 7.
29th November तक तो सर्विस पूरी नहीं थी. Then you appeared on 7th February.
my
and
lord,
sought time to file reply, 7th February.
my lord,
One date, then second time you appeared in November,
my lord.
second time.
My lord, he is not well, physically well, therefore I am only seeking. Or if my lord be granted 1 week time, then I will send a reply to respondent number 7, my lord, and he would notarize that reply, my lord, from his native place.
आपने भेजा क्यों नहीं अब तक?
वो my lord, हम इंतजार कर रहे थे कि वो आ जाएगा यहाँ तक, वो देके चला जाएगा। बिकॉज माय लॉर्ड वो प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी ये होती है, वहाँ से नोटराइज होकर आता है तो कई बार रजिस्ट्री एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती, क्योंकि सभी जगह नोटरी की सील नहीं होती है और वो वहाँ के लोकल काउंसिल अपने पैटर्न में काम कर देते।
मेरे को तो नहीं पता इन बातों का, अब तो पहली बार मेरे को।
माय लॉर्ड, हमारे यहाँ ये
क्या?
रजिस्ट्री में ये वो जो पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं उसमें सील लगाने को राजी नहीं होते नोटरी, और वो केवल एफिडेविट पे सील लगाने के लिए राजी होते हैं, इसलिए वो यहाँ रजिस्ट्री में।
Reply has to be attested on each page, according to you.
अब माय लॉर्ड यहाँ तो ये
Reply has to come by way of affidavit only,
यस माय लॉर्ड,
or affidavit has to be in support of that reply.
यस माय लॉर्ड,
So reply हर पेज पे not
सील तो वो सभी जगह लगा के जाते हैं।
reply has to be by way of affidavit only, or only short affidavit has to be filed in support of a reply.
Well, any affidavit in support of reply is the practice which is followed.
And the reply has to be on the affidavit. Each page has to be notarized.
Notary is
Suppose of the reply, we'll have to find the affidavit.
Affidavit may be short.
Every page has to be,
Notary seal has to be there.
that is required, Madam.
Short affidavit is not required
No.
in support of that reply.
Supporting affidavit is there, Madam, but along with the reply, each and every page has to be
Entire document is to be, my lord, notarized,
properly stamped, Madam.
stamped.
Otherwise, sometimes.
Perusal of record would show that respondent number 7 appeared in this case for the first time on 7th February 2023, and thereafter the case was taken up by this court on 2/11/2023.